Hiro-san, good morning.
Good morning.
We're on the way to True World, right?
Yes.
What are we going to pick up there? Some things that they
some fish. I don't know exactly what it is, but today's a kind of secret ingredient from True World.
Right. So let's see what they have for us.
Once I see the ingredients, then I have to little think about.
Right.
Then we're gonna make something good.
Okay. Well, the reason why I'm pulled over here right before we get into I-95 is because we want to get some excitement in the morning. Wow, that was quick. Have arrived. True World. Look, nice canopy. I don't know if we can fit the car into there. It's probably not for the car. It's for people.
For the people.
Looks like the canopy we had at Homestead, you know? Same style, yeah. Hiro-san!
Yes.
Again, I can't wait to...
Yeah, True World.
Yeah, True World. I can't wait to look at these products more closely. Again, we have Miho here. Thank you so much for being here. And also supporting staff. Thank you for helping us. Really appreciate it. Okay, let's talk about the products. What do we have here?
Okay, this is Kinmedai.
We've had this before.
Yeah,
it's
this
delicious
is very
also.
delicious fish also.
Right.
Good for sashimi.
いいからみんな結構わかんないんですよ。カス冷凍の金姫って、スーパーフローズンなんですけどね。
スーパーフローズンの
はい。
Now, if you're a wholesaler or you're a restaurant or even a chef, come and contact Miho. The information is down below, and you guys can buy directly from them. They are the top suppliers for all the top restaurants in Miami area. Hiro-san,
Yes.
we are back from True World.
Yes.
And let's take a look at this fish that we picked up.
Yes. This is called Kinmedai.
Kinmedai.
Golden eye snapper.
Golden eye snapper. Now this eye
They
is
have a
huge.
very unique eye.
Now, golden eye, is it because the color inside is goldish?
This one, when they're swimming in the ocean, kind of
It sparkles.
shining.
Oh, really?
Sparkle.
Okay, I didn't know that.
So,
All right, what are you gonna make today, Hiro?
I'm gonna make sushi, but one is like a pressed sushi, like Oshizushi.
Okay.
I'm gonna use the box. Another one is I still using the makisu and the plastic, but I'm gonna make in shape my almost like with a bamboo mat. We call it bozushi. It's kind of stick shape.
Okay.
Like after like kind of round shape
All right.
sushi.
Okay,
So I'm gonna
let's do
be
it.
putting combined together.
Okay, Hiro.
Okay. This one you can make a soup, very good soup.
Okay.
Okay, just keep it clean up inside.
Now, when you
Actually,
see the fish,
before I cut, actually I clean up already stomach.
Was
Actually,
any-
this one's already guts was already out.
yeah, guts
so
was out, right? Okay.
I just make it dry up and clean.
Okay. A lot of people in the other video saying, "Do you rinse off the fish?" No, you don't. Run it with water unless you're cleaning out the insides.
Yeah, once I cut off the head and I take the guts out, and then
You cut the bone inside.
and
the
wash it
center
like
bone.
this, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Then after that, we're not gonna wash it
Right.
again. This one is actually scale is already taken off, but some scale is still on it.
Yeah. Yeah. Some people also mention, why do you need to remove the scales? You know, if you're not going to use the skin, because of this exact reason, when you're cutting into the fish like this, scales get everywhere.
take off this rib bone. Then another bone is here in the center. Okay, like this. Today I'm gonna use skin. Next step I'm gonna do, I'm using the hot water, boiling water is right here. So I'm gonna put the Yubiki style. I'm gonna put the hot water on the top. Okay, on the skin side. I'm gonna go with this one and this one first. Okay, I'm gonna do this side a little bit too. Okay, that's it. Then I'm gonna put it into ice water. Okay. Other side, I'm gonna do the same way. Okay. Okay, I put in ice water. And making cooling down all the way. Okay, now I'm gonna make two different type of sushi rice. Okay, so this one I already mixed with a regular sushi vinegar already. So I'm gonna take some of this rice here. And then this side I go with the sakura denbu. Mix into.
What is this exactly? It's kind
It's
of
a codfish.
Codfish eggs, right?
Like a not a egg.
Not
It's
eggs.
Flakes.
Flakes.
This is the codfish. The
Codfish.
meat.
Okay.
On it.
got it. But maybe like dried eggs or something like that.
No, not egg.
It's probably a little salty, or what's the season? What does it
More
taste
like sweet.
More sweet.
Mm. Rice here. Also ginger. And the sesame seeds. And the yuzu juice. My hometown,
Yeah, rice from Kochi.
Kochi style.
Mhm.
This one I'm gonna take it out from the hood. Okay, go like that. Okay, this one I'm gonna first cut into the half. First I'm gonna cut into the half. And I cut it to 8 pieces. Okay. This one. See, this one only have a 2. Okay.
Wow, take a look at this, Hiro. Amazing masterpieces. For those of you wondering, why is it split into 2 plates? Just for pictures, as you can probably see on Instagram. That's why. It look kind of better just like this. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us, can you make something like this? Well, it's not too difficult. Just takes a little practice. Thank you, Hiro.
Hey, next time.
Okay, Hiro-san, now to the tasting.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Mhm.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. Take this one.
Mm-hmm. Golden Eye Snapper, how's it taste to you?
Good.
It's good?
Actually, I really like the rice.
You like the rice, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, very special.
Yeah, culture style
sushi
is,
rice.
you have to eat rice.
Yeah. Eat rice
I
by
mean,
itself.
No, not too much rice, no like that.
Right, right.
You have to enjoy to eat rice.
It must be good.
Mm.
2 thumbs up. All right, well, thank you so much, Hiro.
Mm.
See you in the next episode.